Let me share with you the best way you can protect your phone from others not to listen to your calls, your messages, your file, and others. Many people are facing this problem. A lot of people are listening to their calls, their messages. How will you stop this? At the end of this video, you will know the code that you can use to stop these messages and call forwarding from your phone. It's easy and simple, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So the first code you will dial on your phone is you will dial #002 #. So this is the first code you will dial. When you dial this code, it will erase everything. It will delete every call forwarding messages and others from your phone, and you can dial it any of the network. So when you dial your code like this, then you press any of the network. So I have Vodafone and MTN. So let me use the Vodafone. So it will erase everything. So as you can see, MMC code. So it will erase call forwarding. Eraser was successful. So if someone is forwarding my call, my messages and everything, when I dial this code, it will erase everything from the phone or from the person's phone. So eraser was successful. Eraser was call forwarding. Eraser was what? Successful. So I have erased everything. If someone is forwarding my call or listening to my calls or my messages and other files, with this code that I have dialed, it has erased everything from the what? From the phone. So let me check if it is true that it has erased everything or it has deleted everything from the person's phone or my phone. Then you dial this code to confirm if it is true or not. So you dial *#21#. Then you choose any of the network. Then you forward it and then you wait. So this is the message. Vodafone GH messages. Call forwarding. Voice not forwarded. Data not forwarded. Fax not forwarded. SMS not forwarded. SAC not forwarded. Aspirin not forwarded. Packet not forwarded. Pad not forwarded. So after dialing the code #002#, I erase everything. The call forwarding, the messages, all these things, I have erased it. So for me to be sure that if it is done well or not, I have to dial another code. That code is there, *#21#. So when you do this, you erase everything. So as you can see from the page, all these things, my voice, my data, my fax, my SMS, my everything is not what forwarded to anybody. So I have just erased everything. Then this is how to deal it with anyone who is listening to your call or forwarding your message, your data and everything. You dial this code, you erase everything, then you dial the second code, then you check everything. It's very simple and easy. You can do it to all the network. You can dial this code to do everything. So let me show you another code. If MTN is sending you a lot of messages to deduct your credit. So if they are sending you messages to deduct your credit, you just need to dial this code *175#. This code is for deduction of credit. MTN sometimes they send messages to deduct your credit. Maybe the messages you haven't subscribed to it or you don't need it, but still they send it to you every day. Then deduct your credit 50%, will be sometimes 75, 60%. So dial this code to deactivate it. So when you dial this code, then you press your MTN network. So then you go to 1, my subscription, 2, approval, 3, available. So if you have any subscription, then you press 1. So when you dial the 1, if you have any subscription, it will appear. So right now I don't have any subscription. So if you have the subscription, it will show to you. Then if you don't want it, then the second option will come. Then you dial activate it so that they will not send you any message again. For them not to deduct your credit. That is easy and simple. So this is all I have for you for today.